Hi guys, I want to thank all of you who joined us on our Zoom meeting today, and I just wanted to take a minute to share the meeting notes and run you through some of the things on here. So this is also my chance to experiment with the technology to be able to share things out and practice a few things that I'm learning as we accumulate more resources that we are going to be sharing out with you guys. I just wanted to highlight a few quotes from our meeting today. This was great just to know that we are all at different levels and that it's okay. This is a new experience for everyone, and we are trying our best with what we have. This is a learning experience. And though we don't have an incredible amount of participation, we are just doing what we can with the resources that we have. This way, parents will know that we are here for them. We are still here for support and to provide information, activities, and assistance. So those were some of the top quotes from today about just how everybody feels. This next part is just a technology that I was introduced to with my other fellow TAC Nancy, and it is a searchable table of contents. So it tells you the topics that came out of the meeting today. And one thing I just wanted to show you is that you can click on these and go right to that topic. And another thing that she just introduced me to are these little bookmarks that'll take you right back up to the top if you want to go to another section. Now, maybe not super helpful in a document of 2 or 3 pages, but when we share out with another resource list that we have coming out soon, I just want to introduce you to that technology. Another couple things I wanted to share out with you guys. Actually, I'll just here, ideas for kids without internet. I know a lot of you have expressed that that's a challenge. It is around the state right now. So I did a little research and found some stuff that might be helpful. This was probably my favorite article. There were a lot of great ideas on here. So I'm just going to click on it, show you guys 14 tips for helping students with limited distance learning. And there's a lot of great stuff on here. Here's a couple more articles about things I found to reach kids without internet. We'll go back up to our top here. Here's some resources that people shared. Again, these are clickable links. So if you just hold your mouse over it, it'll let you click right on here. Coder Z, that free Amazon virtual robot and coding classes right now, and then some of the other activities as well. So we'll click on our go to top and then go what's working best for engagement. Here are some of the things that people are doing with that have been working really well for them. And then also some ideas. And then this time I'm just going to scroll down here with the request for topics and the format for the next meeting. I want to thank you guys so much for offering feedback, and we're really excited to make our next attempt at it. Thank you guys so much, and thanks for watching this little video. Hopefully that's helpful to provide you with access to the things we talked about today. Thanks so much. Why isn't this working?